How to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you want to open up your browser and then you want to search for Adobe Acrobat Reader and then free download like this. Now click on the first link, which should take you to the official Adobe website. Now click on download Adobe Acrobat Reader and it should start the download. Now click on this and click download unverified file and wait for it to finish. Then simply run the installer and it should show up this window right here, which should start installing Adobe Acrobat. Now the version we're going to be downloading and installing right now is free. There is also a paid version with monthly subscription. And once this is finishes downloading, you'll simply need to launch Adobe Acrobat, or you can also open PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. So for example, if you have this PDF file, you want to right click on it and click on open with, and you should see Adobe Acrobat if it is installed. Otherwise you can click on choose another app and click on more apps, scroll down and find Adobe Acrobat here. You can also click on look for another app on this PC and navigate to where Adobe Acrobat is installed, which should be under Program Files Adobe, and then pick it from there and click on open, and it should launch the file in Adobe Acrobat. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.